The tech world is buzzing with speculation about Microsoft's next major operating system release. Windows 12 has been the subject of numerous rumors, with many suggesting a 2025 release date. But while Microsoft plans its next move, Linux distributions have been steadily advancing with innovations that may already surpass what Windows 12 is expected to offer. Microsoft has remained relatively tight-lipped about Windows 12, but industry insiders suggest it will feature deeper artificial intelligence integration, improved cloud connectivity, and a refreshed user interface. The company appears to be responding to changing computing paradigms, particularly the rise of cloud computing and the increasing importance of AI in daily computing tasks. However, Linux distributions have been implementing similar features for years, often with greater flexibility and without the licensing costs associated with Windows. Distributions like Ubuntu, Fedora, and Arch Linux have embraced modular designs that allow users to customize their experience to a degree that Windows has never offered. One area where Linux particularly shines is resource efficiency. While Windows has historically required increasingly powerful hardware with each major release, many Linux distributions can run effectively on older hardware. This efficiency extends to server environments, where Linux dominates due to its stability and lower resource requirements. Privacy represents another significant advantage for Linux. As Microsoft has integrated more data collection into Windows, Linux distributions have emphasized user privacy and control. Most Linux systems allow users to disable telemetry completely, something Microsoft has made increasingly difficult with recent Windows versions. The open-source nature of Linux enables rapid innovation across distributions. When a new feature proves successful in one distribution, others can quickly implement similar functionality. This collaborative ecosystem has accelerated development in areas like desktop environments, package management, and system security. Security architecture is fundamentally different between Windows and Linux. The permission model in Linux provides inherent security advantages, with clear separation between user and system processes. While no operating system is completely immune to security threats, Linux's architecture makes it inherently more resistant to certain types of malware. For developers, Linux has become the preferred platform for many programming environments. The native support for programming languages, command line tools, and development frameworks makes Linux particularly attractive for software development. Microsoft has recognized this shift, creating the Windows subsystem for Linux to bring Linux capabilities to Windows users. Hardware support has historically been a challenge for Linux, but this gap has narrowed significantly. Most modern hardware works seamlessly with popular Linux distributions, often without requiring additional driver installation. The kernel's rapid development cycle means new hardware support arrives quickly. Gaming, once a Windows stronghold, has seen remarkable progress on Linux. Technologies like Proton allow many Windows games to run on Linux with performance approaching native Windows levels. As more game developers embrace cross-platform development, the gaming gap between operating systems continues to shrink. Corporate adoption of Linux continues to grow, particularly in server environments and specialized workstations. Many organizations appreciate the control, security, and cost benefits that Linux provides. Microsoft's own shift toward embracing open source reflects the growing importance of Linux in the technology ecosystem. The future operating system landscape will likely be defined not by which system completely dominates, but by how well each adapts to changing user needs. While Windows maintains significant market share in desktop computing, Linux continues to innovate in ways that challenge Microsoft to improve its offerings. Whether Windows 12 will successfully counter these advantages remains to be seen, but one thing is clear: competition between these platforms ultimately benefits users through improved technology and greater choice.